Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 8 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 6 Reproduction and Adolescence. Video Part 2, Question number 21. A bulb-like projection grown on hydra is known as. So you can see the picture of the hydra here. The hydra reproduces through sexual reproduction, and this is the process is known as budding. This reproduction is the asexual, and there is the regeneration in the hydra. How hydra regenerates? Actually, the bird is grown. A projection like structure is grown on the hydra, and after some time it just after growing it detach from the parent hydra and make new hydra. So this is your bird. It is in the option number B. The 21 answer is option B. Question number 22. Which one among the following is a hermaphrodite? So hermaphrodites are your earthworm, starfish, snail, all those are your hermaphrodite. So it is in the option number C. The 22nd answer is option C. Question number 23. Dash reproduces by splitting into two. So into two means there is the nuclear fission, that is the one it is a unicellular. Amoeba is the unicellular. Its nucleus is divided into two parts, and after some time they make the two new organism. So this is your amoeba. In the mosquito, there is the life cycle of 4 stage. In the frog, there is the 3 stage life cycle, that is your egg, tadpole, and then frog. In the butterfly also, there is the eggs, then larva, pupa, and then butterfly. So this splitting process is in the amoeba. The 23rd answer will be your option C. Question number 24. Presence of which mineral in water help the metamorphosis of frog? So, which mineral? Actually, the presence of iodine. Iodine just provides the iodine helps in the formation of the thyroxine hormone, and thyroxine hormone is the growth hormone, and this growth hormone helps in the metamorphosis of the frog from embryo to egg to adult. So that's the option C. 24th answer is option C. Question number 25. Ductless gland are also known as. So ductless glands are your endocrine glands. What are the endocrine glands? These are your pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, thymus gland, adrenal gland, pancreatic gland, and ovary and testes. These all are your endocrine gland. The 25th answer is option B. Question number 26. Chemical substances which coordinate the activities of living organism and their growth are. So this is your hormones. This is your hormones. Actually, uh, in there is the thyroid hormone. It helps in the growing of any organism. Okay. The 26th answer is option C. Question number 27. Which one of the following is not an endocrine gland? Not an endocrine gland. So you can see all the list of the endocrine glands are here, and which is not present here. So sweat glands are not present here. Okay, actually it is distributed throughout your uh, body surface. Okay, endocrine glands are those which just produces the chemicals in the blood only. Okay, the 27th answer will be option B. Question number 28. The correct sequence of sperm movement in human body. So it is, you can see the picture of the reproductory part of male. So this is the testicles. Here the sperms are formed and it travels to the epididymis, and from here it just travels through the vas deferens, and through this it just comes to the urethra, and through urethra it just erupted. So you can see this option is available in the option A. Epididymis, then vas deferens, then urethra, and then penis. The 28th answer will be your option A. Question number 29. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Endocrine glands are the glands having ducts. So they don't have ducts. Actually, endocrine glands secretes their chemical directly in the bloodstream. Means that it directly mixes with the blood and it reaches to their destination point. So this is correct. Endocrine glands are the ductless glands. Yes, it is also correct. Hormones are secreted by the endocrine glands. Yes, the chemicals secreted by the endocrine glands are the hormones only. All of the above are the correct only. The answer will be none of these. The 29th answer is the option E. Question number 30. The main changes that in girls during puberty are development of Adam's apple. No, it is in the boys, not in the girls. Actually, the Adam's apple is the bone at the neck. It just extruded in the puberty. Development of shrill voice. So yes, it is correct. Production of testosterone increases? No. Production of estrogen increases. Testosterone is the male hormone. Hips become broadened and becomes more curved? Yes, it is also correct. So 2 and 3 it is present in the option C. So 30 answer will be option C. Question number 31. Match the following. Estrogen, it is in the ovary. Testosterone, testis. Saliva, it is your exocrine gland. Insulin, it is your pancreas. So 31 answer will be your 31 answer is in your option B. 31 is question number 32. The first occurrence of monthly period at puberty is called. The first period in the girls is known as menarche. It is in the option number C. So 32 option C. Menopause is the last period. Okay. And menstruation is the regular period, and metamorphosis belongs to the change in the life stages. Metamorphosis happens in the frog, that is from egg to adult. This conversion from egg to adult, this is known as metamorphosis. Question number 32. Das hormone is also known as emergency hormone. So emergency hormone is your adrenaline hormone. The gland is the adrenal gland situated on the uh, kidney. Okay, and it is known as emergency hormone because when this hormone just secretes in your body, so you can get the extra energy to do any impossible task also. 33rd answer will be option B. Question number 34. Deficiency of which hormone cause goiter? So deficiency of thyroxine hormone. Actually, at our neck there is a thyroid gland, and thyroid gland secretes thyroxine hormone. Okay. The 34th answer will be your option B. Question number 35. Sex of a baby can be determined by dash present in the cell. So it is chromosome present in the cell. If there is the XX chromosome, then there will be girl. If it is XY chromosome, then there will be boy. And all the girls have only XX chromosome, and boys have X and Y both chromosome. So when boy's X chromosome mates with the X chromosome of girl, then the girl child will be born. And if the boy's Y chromosome will mate with the X chromosome of the girls, then boy child will be produced. The 35th answer is your option C. Question number 36. The changes occur in body during adolescence mark on the onset of it is your puberty. This is known as puberty. The 36th answer will be option B. Question number 37. Name the hormone which prepares the endometrium for potential implantation of an embryo. So what is your endometrium? Actually, endometrium is the lining of the uterus. It is the lining of the uterus. After the fertilization of the egg, this egg just comes down in the uterus, and there is the and uterus is prepared with the endometrium lining so that the embryo can be planted on the uterus. Okay. Which hormone helps in the formation of the endometrium? So this is your progesterone. Okay, this is your progesterone. 37th answer will be your option C. Question number 38. Which one of the following female hormone helps in the development of mammary gland? Mammary gland is found in the breast of the female, which helps in the production of the milk to feed their baby. So which hormone helps? So this is your estrogen. Estrogen hormone. So 38th answer will be option B. Question number 39. The pituitary gland is located. The pituitary gland is located in your brain. Okay? At the base of the brain. Yes, this is correct. 39th answer will be, it is here. You can see this is here. 39th answer will be option D. Question number 40. Hormone which controls metamorphosis in frogs are, so the hormone that is your thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine hormone helps in the proper growth of the frog from egg to adult. Okay. So 40th answer will be option D. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.